Divide 502 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 10 is 50. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 2 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 502 divided by 5 is 100 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.